Hi, this is Wujdan Al-Rowaily. I'm the Technical Innovation Team Leader in Monsha'at. The Leap is a huge event, a huge platform for future technologies. And we in Monsha'at support entrepreneurs and startups. We have different initiatives and programs that support entrepreneurs and for anyone who need to initiate his or her business. One of the strategic objective of Monsha'at is innovation and technology adoption. So Monsha'at launched an innovation center called ذكاء in AI and data analytics, IoT and cybersecurity. What we do in Monsha'at, or specifically in the Innovation Center, we provide subject matter experts to startups and entrepreneurs, innovative startups and entrepreneurs, and we provide some kind of programs and also link those startups to other innovation systems globally and also to local entities. We believe that the tech startups and tech entrepreneurs, those who by adopting the technology or having businesses in technology, they have the opportunity that grow faster than the traditional startup and traditional businesses. So that's why we launched from Monsha'at the innovation center called ذكاء, means intelligent. As I said, one in Al-Khubar and one in Riyadh, but it serves all the startups and individuals in all the virtually in all the kingdom. Monsha'at is initiated that to let the GDP contribution increase GDP contribution by SMEs and startups. So now Saudi, we don't want Saudi to be dependent on the oil and gas. So we need let's say involved in contribution of the GDP by the entrepreneurs and startups. We believe that 80% or 70% of the companies in Saudi is small, micro and small startups. So that's why our initiatives, programs dedicated to support and ease of doing business for the startups. It's a very huge platform for future technologies, and having a leap in Saudi, making the startups in technology created, and they have a connection to other international startups. They might have international clients, they might have international partnership. So it's very important to our beneficiaries in Monsha'at to grow their businesses, to get more different kind of clients. And I believe the Leap is one of the important events that support our beneficiaries in very, very huge role actually.